seems that if the government wants to put its money where its mouth is, if Micheál Martin is saying disability is his priority, if Simon Harris is saying disability is his priority and the reason he got into politics in the first place, then there is a real need to get a handle on this whole area.
It's something that they probably should have seen coming as well, because they should have known what the level of consultation between the schools and the NCSE was going to be. And that seems to be the crux of the issue here as well. And why, like you said, the pause has been brought in was that they wanted to make sure that they were getting this right. But they had to, such level of distress had to happen first. So there was 584 reviews that have taken place to date so far. 2/3, we heard Hildegard Naughton saying, the Minister for Education, are either going to keep their allocation or they're going to go up. But that meant that 1/3, so what is that, 180 something, 190 something schools were going to see their allocations reduced. Surely that this should have been something that they should have seen coming.
You would have thought, you know, as Mary was saying there, this is consistently an issue in terms of special education that the government keeps getting tripped up on. During the week, As I Am CEO Adam Harris, the brother of Simon Harris, was on RT, and he was saying that many parents were hearing through the grapevine on this issue. And it's like so many others that there's been a number of kind of piecemeal announcements in relation to special education across the board, whether it's on SNAs, whether it's on, you know, assessments of need, special education class places, that just consistently that level of communication hasn't been there. And parents are really, I think the patience is wearing thin a lot across the country, particularly when you're on waiting lists, but the level of stress involved for parents in terms of class places obviously has been well documented. But in terms of the pressure that parents can feel, particularly coming up to September, where even the loss of one SNA can totally change the dynamic in a classroom or in a school.